Hello, here's something interesting about cryptocurrencies. Lending and borrowing for beginners. How a loan without a bank works in DeFi. At first, it sounds almost unreal. To take out a loan without a bank, without a counter, without paperwork, and without an officer evaluating you. This is exactly what DeFi promises, and the term lending and borrowing for beginners is increasingly appearing in educational texts and protocol advertisements. But behind that attractive idea lies something much more serious than easy borrowing. The moment you enter DeFi lending, your opponent is no longer a bank, but mathematics. There are no negotiations, no "can we extend the deadline," no phone call from the bank. There is only the relationship of price, collateral, and code. An illustration of the lending and borrowing concept in DeFi. It shows how crypto assets are used as collateral for borrowing stablecoins. That's why it's important that lending and borrowing for beginners is not understood as an advanced option you can try on the side, but as a fundamental mechanism that can accelerate your growth, but also brutally destroy your portfolio if you don't understand it. In this article, we won't provide a click here, then there type of tutorial. Instead, the focus is on why this part of DeFi even exists, how it works under the hood, and what? Thanks for watching. Share with friends.